halor kata ka CAA baka jaj bedru khasi jungi kala persyak jur menchua habakli na ECM halor kata ka jingslang biang jong ka sarkar India pan poi halor kane ka banta bat imat kane ka CAA kan satre kam bat banlong an wadla umpat tip lanu ECM ilaong bakata kam la khiatan bat om tip ka ka jing yu jong ka sarkar India halor kane ka banta henry lada kane kan salong kamru kan salong ain ru kam kita ka jala me khalia namar kane ka de ka jala 6 schedule bat lada ka kta ru kalong tang khyndiat de kata haki benta ki balaj no na ka 6 schedule kumban pen kenmau ba MP jong ka NPP natura iklam persya ya kane ka an laong ru lada kane kan long an kata ka CAA kan long an kan sakta sikat de ya ki ripan habang ipai pad halor ka yo ka kod jong ka jala ka sarkar kalapen kriya bat bu thong ban ko bat banra ka bekhalia hakata ka yo ka kod hata ka jing yo ka ban kod $10 billion hakis nam ki ban wan watla ombat tip tikna lada kata kansa urlong nem bat lesi lada ka jala mekhalia kan laj na ka bamsap lesi kansa urlong kumbalong menta ka jala mekhalia kadang songdor tang lai billion kata dang don kam sa new billion ban poi sipau kata ka lai billion kam dei ka kata ka lai billion ka dor jong ka mekhalia kam dei ka plating ka jong ka sarkar henrei ka dei ka dor jong ka jala mekhalia ka jing don jing em jong man uwe ne ka wei ka nong chong sinong jong ka mekhalia ketulang baru ki property ka khendo ka siap.
Right, the timing, the government of India is doing its part from terms of the bill that was passed 4 years back. It's the rules. But from Meghalaya's point of view, it doesn't really impact us much because the 6 scheduled areas, are completely exempted from the CAA. And hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. But as I said, the question of Government of India coming up with rules, those are procedures that are followed by Government of India. So we're not understanding what this whole thing is. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note. So this one dot is there because of a technical issue. Otherwise, the entire 6 scheduled area is exempted from the